Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how bubble sort algorithm works. So if we are given an array and if we apply bubble sort algorithm on it, we can get a sorted array in ascending order. So let's see a solution how this bubble sort actually works. So first of all, what it does is it is going to compare these two elements in pair. Okay, it will check if this needs sorting or not. So clearly 3 is less than 5, so it doesn't need any sorting. So it moves to next. Here it checks if 5 and 1 need sorting. So yes, it does. So it will swap it. Like this value will become 3, 1, 5, 0, and then 9. Okay. In the next, again it will check for 5 and 0. And again it is going to swap. So it will become 0 and it will become 5. And here it will compare and it won't swap. So in the next iteration, this 3 and 1 will be compared. And then after swapping, 3 and 0 will be compared and so on. So to handle this, we will be taking the help of first two loops. It will be a nested loop. And the second thing would be swapping algorithm. So let's see a solution for this, how we are going to approach it. We just need to create a function called bubble sort, which is going to take an array. Inside of this, the very first thing is we run a loop. Okay, I is equals to 0, I less than array dot length and I plus plus. And since we are going to do it multiple times, right? So first it will be doing for 3, 5, then it is going to be doing for 5, 1, and then 5, 0, 5, 9. In the second part, it is going to take care of 3, 1. So what is happening is, once it is taking care of this 5, this is the outer loop, and think of it as outer loop. Once this 5 is completed, comparison of 5 with all, then it again starts from here. So that is happening with the help of outer loop, and in the inner loop, it is going to compare one by one, right? One pair by one pair. So that's how it is happening. So in the inner loop, we are going to define it as let j is equals to 0, j less than array dot length and j plus plus. Did I miss something? Yeah. Also, this j is not going to run till array dot length minus 1 and minus I. It is going to run till minus I, till the point this is going to be compared by the last, right? Every time. Now, inside of this, we are going to just add a condition if array of I is greater than, or array of j is greater than array of j plus 1, the value next to it. In that case, we are going to go for swapping method. So for that, we are going to just define a temporary value maybe, and we are going to assign it with the value of array of j. And in the next part, we're going to assign this array of j with array of j plus 1 and array of j plus 1 with temp. How this part is working is like, suppose array of j is suppose 3, okay, and array of j plus 1 is 2. So we compared that if j is greater than j plus 1. So in that case, this 2 should come in front of 3, right? So for that, what we are doing is, we are just defining a temp. We are assigning the value it as array of j, that is 3. We are gonna override this value with j plus 1, that is 2. And then we are going to reassign this with value of temp, that is 3. Now the order become 2 and 3. J value become 2 and j plus 1 value become 3. This is how swapping is going to work. So let's just console the value and call this bubble shot with the array and run this file. We are getting undefined. Maybe I missed something. Okay, so there are two things that I have missed. It will not run till array.length, but it will run till array.length minus 1. And also it forgot to return this shorted array, right? So now if we print, we get the shorted array. So yes, this was how bubble short works. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.